What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. Simply you and I going over the latest crypto news, talking about market analytics, and of course jumping into the price action. Start with the price action since we're on the page right here, and you can see Shiba Inu coin continuing range bound in a very tight range between 580 points per coin and 600 points per coin, with the lower level being a horizontal support and of course the upper level being extreme 50-day exponential moving average resistance that is held up since the end of 2024. So with that, I would expect a very nice rally if we do end up breaking it. But we've got to end up breaking it first. This is like a brick wall, line in the sand, unbeatable, and has been for the last several months. Once breached, however, we could see a very nice move. Overall market, strong today. Deep in the green, up 1% on major altcoins, Bitcoin, and so on. But like I said at the beginning of the video, Fear and Greed Index still sitting in neutral territory as investors want to know what comes next. Now, the article that we're going to go over talks about Shiba Inu coin possibly being displaced out of the top 30 cryptocurrencies. Currently sitting at number 29 with a $3.4 billion market cap. Number 30, Kronos, is sitting here, the Crypto.com token, is sitting here at 2.8, almost $2.9 billion market cap. Now, Shiba Inu coin is not going to be displaced from the top 30 necessarily because it's losing in value. It is simply being outpaced right now by a lot of the other altcoins. You can see SHIB down a slight 3% over the last week, but other altcoins up 17, up 1, up 6, down 3, down 1. You see, Shiba Inu coin has a little bit more of a poor performance than the rest of the market, but Zcash, for example, up 42% over the last 7 days. It is currently being outpaced by the rest of the market, and I believe that has to do with the fear and greed, okay? Meme coins, there's only one other meme coin that's in the top 30 there, and that is Dogecoin, okay? And even Dogecoin is down on the week a slight 0.60%. But it's because of the Fear and Greed Index, guys. We cannot expect meme coins to really soar or thrive or flourish during a fearful or neutral situation. We need greed and extreme greed before we see these meme coins rise. So let's talk about what these analysts have to say real quick. It says Shiba Inu coin continues to face growing pressure in the global crypto market. The token struggles to maintain its position amid rising competition from alternative digital assets. Market rankings now show tighter gaps between several mid-cap cryptocurrencies. Investor attention shifts as performance differences narrow across the sector. Now, currently holding on to the 29th rank as rivals are closing in. Shiba Inu coin's 29th in the global cryptocurrency market with a market cap of about $3.4 billion, which is what we just said. Kronos, or Crypto.com coin, follows closely in 30th position at about $2.9 billion. A small gap between the two assets, increasing risk of ranking changes. And that's all right, right? It says above SHIB, Toncoin holds 28th place with a market cap of $3.5 billion, and SUI sits in 27th with $3.57. Hedera occupies 26th, and so on. Now, it goes on to say that SHIB must sustain some upward momentum to avoid slipping even further. A stronger rally could help it maintain the top 30 position. However, stagnant price action across competing assets could also quickly shift the rankings. The crypto market cap structure continues to show tight competition across mid-tier tokens. And you know, with volatility as crazy as it is in the crypto space, when you're looking at the 29th asset all the way down to the 20th asset, sitting at like a, $2 billion difference. It's not even $2 billion here. Shiba Inu coin can go up 50-60% in a very brief period of time. We've seen it happen time and time again. That's what happens with meme coins, and that's why people are willing to take the risk on them. Okay, they are explosive in nature. Not during fearful situations, not during neutral situations, but during greed and extreme greed. We've seen it so many times before. So to go from top 30 to top 20 basically overnight is not an impossibility. So with that, I continue to accumulate in anticipation of all of the greedy times ahead.